Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple but very useful LinkedIn feature. How to turn off comments on your post. Sometimes you may want to share an update without opening the floor for discussion, and LinkedIn makes that easy. Let's go step by step so you'll know exactly how to do it. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the plus post button. Tap it to start creating a new post. This is the same way you would normally begin writing a status update, adding an image, or sharing an article. Before you hit publish, there's one important setting to adjust. Just beneath your name, you'll see an option that usually says anyone. This controls who can see your post. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're inside this menu, look for a section called Comment Control. This is where you can manage how people interact with your post. By default, comments are turned on, meaning anyone who can see your post will also be able to reply. But you can change that with just a tap. Select the option that says Off. This will completely disable comments for the post you're about to publish. Nobody will be able to reply or add feedback underneath your content, giving you full control over the interaction. After selecting Off, tap Done to save your choice. Then, head back to your post draft. Everything else works the same as usual, whether you've written some text, added a photo, or shared a link. When you're ready, tap Post. Your update will appear on LinkedIn, but this time, the comment section will not be available. It's a great way to share information, announcements, or professional updates without inviting discussion if that's what you prefer. This quick adjustment gives you more flexibility and ensures your content is shared in the exact way you want it to be seen. Now, you know how to disable comments anytime you publish on LinkedIn.